continue to try to reconnect those lines with her. But right now we are shifting focus. Tajinder Bittu is all set to join BJP today. This is the big update that we are receiving. He is the AICC in charge of Himachal Pradesh, said to be very close to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well. This is going to be another blow to Gandhi family. This is the update that we have received from BJP sources, and the big update coming in from Himachal. This is another setback received to the Congress party, that Tajinder Bittu is now going to join BJP today itself. And to give a little bit of background about him, he is the AICC in charge of Himachal Pradesh and is known to be very, very close to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. This can be seen as another blow to the Gandhi family, as this is another face who is jumping ship from Congress to the BJP side and also is very close to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra at the same time. So this can be looked at another setback for the grand old party, as Tajinder Bittu is all set to join the BJP today. He is also the AICC in charge of Himachal Pradesh, of course very close to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Gandhi. It will be interesting to see how exactly Gandhi family is going to respond to that. We have CNN News 18's Payal Mehta joining us on the broadcast. Payal, according to the sources, this information is going to be another setback from Congress, another phase, another day, major crucial phase jumping ship from Congress to BJP.
Well, absolutely. Given the fact that in the past also several leaders who are very, very close to the Gandhi Parivar have abandoned the ship as far as the Congress party is concerned and have decided to join hands with the BJP. So, whether it is spokesperson like Gaurav Vallabh or probably even for that matter, you had Rohan Gupta who had actually jumped ship from the Congress to the BJP, actually tells you that a lot of people have felt uncomfortable with the way in which, the Congress party dealt with several issues or probably did not give them the due respect that they actually deserve. So what we're given to understand by way of top sources in the BJP is that this joining is going to be a big blow to the Congress party, given the fact that Mr. Bittu was extremely close to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. In fact, he had a lot of role to play. We are given to understand that even when she would campaign effectively for her mother in Rai Bareli, he was somebody who was, always present around her. He was somebody who was considered to be extremely close to her. Although Bittu comes in from Jalandhar, essentially, that's his background. But he's currently the AICC in charge for Himachal Pradesh, so that's something which is considered to be a big body blow ahead of the next few phases of election.
All right, Payal, thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial updates on that.